Before we get our hands dirty, let's talk safety. It's crucial. We don't want any accidents. So, listen up. This is important stuff. It could save your laptop and maybe your fingers too. First things first, power off your laptop. Unplug it from the wall. Remove the battery if you can. We don't want any electricity flowing while we work. It's like turning off the water before fixing a pipe. Safety 101, folks. Next, ground yourself. Static electricity is the enemy. It can fry your components. Touch a metal object before you start. This discharges any static. You can also use an anti-static wrist strap. It's like a seatbelt for electronics work. Lastly, organize your workspace. Keep it clean and well lit. Have all your tools ready. A magnetic screwdriver is your best friend here. It'll keep those tiny screws from escaping. Remember, a tidy workspace is a safe workspace. Now let's get upgrading. Let's start with RAM. It's one of the easiest upgrades. RAM is like your laptop's short-term memory. More RAM means better multitasking. Your laptop will thank you for this upgrade. Trust me, you'll feel the difference. First, locate the RAM slots. They're usually under a panel on the bottom. Remove the screws carefully. Keep them safe. You don't want to lose these tiny guys. Once the panel is off, you'll see the RAM sticks. They look like small circuit boards. Removing old RAM is easy. There are clips on each side. Gently push them outward. The RAM will pop up at an angle. Now you can slide it out. It's like taking out a credit card from a tight wallet. Be gentle but firm. Installing new RAM is just as simple. Slide it in at an angle. Make sure the notches line up. Then press down until you hear a click. That's the sound of success. Close up the panel and you're done. Congratulations, you've just given your laptop a memory boost. Section 4, SSD upgrade, speeding up your storage. Now let's tackle storage. Switching to an SSD is like giving your laptop rocket boosters. It'll boot faster, programs will load quicker. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Ready to speed things up? Let's go. First, find your storage drive. It's usually in a similar spot to the RAM. Sometimes it's under a different panel. Once you've found it, unscrew any brackets holding it in place. Carefully disconnect the old drive. It should slide right out. Your new SSD goes in the same spot. Slide it in gently. Make sure it's fully connected. Secure it with the brackets you removed earlier. Double-check all connections. We don't want any loose parts in there. Before closing up, take a moment to admire your work. You've just performed laptop surgery. Pat yourself on the back. You're now the proud owner of a much faster laptop.